Alright, so now for problem number 4, settle down. I need an opposite. Now, can you think, I need an opposite. So how do I do that? Well, hold on. What's the common denominator between 5 and 3? In other words, what number does 5 divide into evenly and 3? 15, right? Guys, stop talking and pay attention to the board. Now, I could do the y's as well. Think of a number that 2 and 6 go into evenly.
12, 24,
6.
Oh.
So now if I eliminate the y's, I only have to multiply the first equation, yes? Now here's the other thing I need to think about. So we know that we're going to multiply by 3, but how do I make this term equal negative 6? Yeah. So if I multiply that by negative 3, this first equation, when I say negative 3 times 5x becomes negative 15x. And then negative 3 times 2y becomes negative 6y. And then negative 3 times negative 10 equals positive 30. Then I just write the second equation, this one right here, exactly how it is. Okay? Ooh, wait. Let me double check my work on this. Boy, that's a lot. So I'm going to have 3x plus 6y equals 66. So now I just add them up vertically. Negative 15 plus 3 is a negative 12x. The 6y's cancel, and that's equal to 96. I divide both sides by negative 12. Now if you're, I think it's 8, but let's double check, okay? Or negative 8, I should say. So I'm going to go into my handy dandy calculator and say 96 divided by negative 12. It's negative 8. Yeah. So it's negative 8. So x equals negative 8. Now what I need to do, and remember what we're trying to do is find out where these two things intersect. Or intersect, I should say. So my x value, yeah, we're going to check at the end. So my x value we believe to be 8. Now to find y, I just take one of these equations. I'll take the second equation. 3 times x, but we believe that x is equal to negative 8, plus 6y equals 66. This becomes negative 24 equals 6, not equals, plus, right? Mr. Adams is getting ahead of himself. Equals 66. So then I have to add 24 to both sides. These cancel. On this side I get 6y equals, this would be 10, carry the 1, 90, right? Divide both sides by 6. Is that 15? Let's see. 90 divided by 6, 15. So we get y equals 15. Now those are bigger numbers than we're used to seeing. How do I verify this, guys? There's 2 ways to verify it. Yeah, we could plug it into Desmos for sure and see where the graphs line up. So the first equation was 5x plus 2y equals negative 10. Whoops. So I'm going to say 5x plus 2y equals negative 10. That's the first equation. The second equation was 3x plus 6y equals, what was it, 66? Is that what it was?
Yeah.
That's insane. Now we said that the answer was negative 8, 15, right? So I'm just going to zoom out. Hey, well, bam with the bacon sizzle. That's way off, but okay. Alright. Alright, so I'm just going to toss this over here. But basically, we were right. Yes?
Yeah.
We got the right answer. It's negative 8, 15. So let's put our 15 right here. Let's do the next one. Now, again, for this next problem, we want to cancel the x's or the y's. Which one looks easier to cancel? Guys, I'm recording still. The y's. So how do I make the y's have opposites? This one's a positive 2y. This is already negative. Is there a way I can make this negative 2y? Yeah. Multiply by 2. Regular old 2, right? So this second equation becomes 6x, right? I'm going to distribute this through. Minus 2y, right? 2 times negative y is equal to 2 times negative 8, which is negative 16. Write the first equation down exactly how it is. Plus 2y, bless you. Equals 6. And then I just add them up vertically. So this becomes 10x. These cancel is equal to negative 10. Right? Divide both sides by 10. And I get x equals negative 1. Well, that was pretty easy, right? Oh my gosh, they're going to play in there. I don't know why they do that. Anyways, so now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to take this original equation, which is 4x, but instead of x, I'm going to put in a negative 1 plus 2 times y equals 6. Okay? This becomes negative 4 plus 2y equals 6. Then I add 4 to both sides. These cancel, and I get 2y equals 10, right? And I get y equals 5. I'm not holding on for anything.
For real, they're playing next door and I can't hear you.
Oh, they're not even playing.
They were in my heart.
All right. So while you guys are writing that down, I'm going to take my graphing calculator and I'm going to move it over to the other side and enter these equations in just to verify. So you can't see it on your screen, but I am plugging in 4x plus 2y is equal to 6. I'll pull it over to the other screen in a second so you can see it. And then 3, oh, I did that again. 3x minus y equals negative 8. And I accidentally erased the other one, which is 4x plus 2y equals 6. And we said that occurred at negative 1, 5, yes? Guess what?
It didn't.
It did.
Wow.
So I'm going to take a screenshot of it, and I'll just put it on the screen here. So again, we did get the right answer, right? Who's doing most of the work?
Yeah. You were showing us. You were just copying.
That's true. You guys would be lost without me.
I like her.
You like the other teacher better?
Yeah.
Well, you're stuck with me. Well, I'm going to pause now because they're playing literally band instruments behind me. Go ahead and try to do number 6 on your own.